Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a project in Adobe Express. This is an essential skill that ensures all your creative work is properly stored and ready to download whenever you need it. Let's walk through this together, step by step. First, open your web browser and type in new.express.adobe.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. This will take you to your main workspace where all your projects are stored. Now that you're logged in, look for the Recent Files section. This is where Adobe Express displays all the projects you've been working on lately. Browse through your recent projects and click on the one you want to save. This will open the project in the editor, giving you full access to all the tools and options you need. With your project now open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the download button. Click on it to begin the saving process. This is the gateway to exporting your project in the format you need. After clicking download, you'll see a menu appear with various options. Navigate to the File Format section, which allows you to choose how you want your project to be saved. Below this section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal all the available file format options. Select your preferred format from the list based on how you plan to use your project. Once you've made your selection, click the Download button to proceed. Your project will now begin processing and will save to your computer's default download location. Depending on the size and complexity of your project, this might take a moment, so give it a bit of time to complete. Finally, once the download is complete, look again at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Open. Click on this to access your downloaded file directly. This allows you to quickly view or verify that your project has been saved correctly without having to navigate through your computer's file system. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Adobe Express project and can now use it however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.